Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video is going to be I'm getting the first oil change on my Ram TRX. So I'm heading, I got an appointment at 3 o'clock, so I'm about to get over there real quick. But before I get down, I want to give y'all a cold start. Y'all know the routine. Alright guys, while I got y'all, look, it's hard to find oil right now. I've been on the phone about 45 minutes trying to find oil. At first I was gonna do it myself, but shit, they were charging, like, the dealership was charging like $20 a quart, you know, and I still was gonna consider doing it. And then I called with this other place. They would charge like $13 a quart, but they only had 3 quarts. Then it's a special oil filter that got to be used for this truck. So I called another dealership. One dealership was talking about for the whole oil change $250. I'm like, oh my God, but I was gonna do it. So right before I was about to get in and leave, I called one more dealership right by the house, and they were talking about $125. Full oil change, exterior clean, multi-point inspection, and all that. The guy said, but the last one we're gonna take is at $445. I say less, I'm on my way. So I'm en route to that. I was gonna do me and Mitch, you know, I was gonna let Mitch do it, and I was gonna document it, you know, get up under the truck with him and all that, but it didn't pan out like that this time. So I'm gonna just take it to the dealership because it's gonna actually save me some money. You know, if I was to probably buy the oil and, you know, tighten up Mitch, it'll probably be more than what I'm paying for this whole oil change. So I just wanted to let y'all know what's been going on for the last hour. But stay tuned, I'm heading to the dealership and I'll cut it back on once I get over there.
A few moments later.
Pulling it in the back. In a second. We're about to pull it off. Taking his first oil change, guys. First oil change. Y'all excited like me?
later.
All right.
Take care of my truck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love that thing too. Yeah. Appreciate it, James. Okay. Okay, I will. All right. Thank you too. All right, we done. First oil change. First oil change. Ugh. Ew. First one. And the guy was so cool. Let me show y'all. Well, I don't want to put all my business on that, but he gave me an extra deal. So the total for a full oil change, regular price, like I said when I told y'all earlier, I started out at $250. James cut me down. Total price for a full oil change, you got 7 quarts, fully synthetic, a $12 Mopar oil filter. Charged me $108. You can't beat it with a bag. So you know, I won all the way around. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I wanted to use Mix Mechanic, and I wanted to document the, you know, and video it. You know, I said I think that would have been a little bit better up close and personal, but I mean, I don't think y'all would be paying $108 for a full oil change on a Hellcat. That's unheard of. The oil by itself was $100. But thanks for watching, guys. It's just a little short video I did today. Just a little something to throw in there, keep in the mix. Like I said, I'm gonna try to stay a little bit more active or whatever. But thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video.